Alright, I think y'all are gonna like this one. That's a Homelite XL12. I just brought it home. I didn't have to do much to it. I cleaned it up a little bit. There goes your UT number, C7132. This all runs perfect. It's got awesome compression, starts easy. Guy said it hadn't been running in a couple years, so I was worried about carburetor and all that, but actually it fired right up. But I think this one will sell quick. I'm going to start it up for you, let you hear it run. I'm gonna run it for a short time because it's 6 o'clock Sunday morning here in Graysville, Alabama. I'm gonna call that an 18-inch bar, unless otherwise stated. Like to hear it? Here it goes. Alright. I just had it running. I don't even think it needs a choke. Well, maybe it does. There we go. And I think after you had it running, I think it'll pop right off. Woo! You can't go wrong with that. That joker's ready to work. I made a little cut there. I haven't ran it through a log. I'm sure the chain could use sharpening. Every chainsaw I get needs to be sharpened. The oiler's working. Well, this one is. I don't know if it's supposed to be automatic or not, but heck, I got a wet chain anyways, so I think you're all set. I mean, it's complete too. The air cleaner, the cover, all that stuff's usually missing. No cracks, no breaks in the frame. Even the little chain guards are still in great shape on both sides. And maybe that one's trying to tear a little bit, but I mean, come on, usually half the time they ain't even on there. So thanks for looking. Homelite XL12. Buy it if you want to.